Alright, welcome to Closest Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, in today's class we are going to be looking at Pascal triangle again. Don't forget we are talking about the binomial expansion, and then under it we've looked into how to create the Pascal triangle and we solved some examples. So if you have not seen that video, click on the video after you watch this to the end. All right, so we are going to be solving these examples using the Pascal triangle. So before we go, let's quickly draw the Pascal triangle for this again. What's the highest power we have in this question? The highest power is 5. So let's quickly draw the Pascal for 5. So you can pause this video and try to draw it on your own. All right, so let me do that. So we have 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1 1 5 10 10 5 and 1. All right, so these are the Pascal triangle for this, and see this is making sense. It's looking like a 3. I like Pascal triangle. All right, so let's solve the first question. We have 2x plus 3y raised to the power of what? 4. I think that to solve that solution, so let's solve that. What would that be? Is a very simple question. So don't forget, so you have 2x plus what? 3y raised to the power of what? 4. I think, don't forget I told you in the previous video, as your x is increasing, your y will be what? Decreasing. So in this case now, this is your a and this is your what? Your b. So as your a is increasing, your b will be what? Decreasing. Are you seeing that? So what would this be? This will now be what? 2x raised to power what? Power 4. Are you seeing that now? Then what? 3y raised to power what? 0. Abi, plus what's the next one now? What's the coefficient under 4? So I will write 4 now. Abi, 4 into bracket, your x will decrease, your a will decrease. So I will have 2x raised to power, instead of 4 now it will now be what? 3. Are you seeing that now? Then multiply by what? Your b, which is what? 3y raised to the power of what? Instead of 0 now it will now be what? 1. Are you seeing that now? Plus what's the next coefficient now? 6. Are you seeing that now? So 6 into bracket, your a will decrease now, which will now be what? 2x raised to the power of what? 2. Then this one too will increase, that will be what? 3y raised to the power of what? 2. And you will notice that the addition of the powers must give you the what you have here, which is what? 4. Are you seeing that now? So let's continue. Plus our next value now. Our next value is what? Is 4. Are you seeing the coefficient? So 4 into bracket, your a will decrease, that will now be what? 2x raised to the power of what? 1. Are you seeing that? Then your b will increase, that will be what? 3y raised to the power of what? 3. Are you seeing that now? Plus what's the last coefficient here? 1. I don't need to write 1. So that will be what? 2x raised to the power of what? This one will decrease, that will be what? 0 into bracket, this one will increase now, so that will be what? 3y raised to power what? Power 4. I see. Now you can see that these ones now they have values, so they are not like the previous example that we did that do not have values. So now 2x raised to power 4, you will apply the law of indices that says that a law of indices says if I have ab raised to power what? Power x, it will become what? It will become a raised to power x, then what? B raised to power what? X. Are you seeing that? And this law works for letter and number, and that's what you have here. So this will be 2 raised to power 4 x raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and that will give you what? 16 x raised to power what? Power 4. Are you seeing that now? Because 3y raised to power 0 is 1, so multiply by what? 1. Plus the second line now, so we have 4 that is still standing into bracket, 2x raised to power 3. 2x all raised to power 3 will now become 2 raised to power 3 x raised to power 3. and 2 raised to power 3 is what? 8. Are you seeing that? 2 raised to power 3 is what? 8. So this will be what? 8 x raised to power what? Power 3. Are you seeing that now? Then what now? 3y raised to power 1. 3y all raised to power 1 is the same thing as what? Is the same thing as what? As 3y. Are you seeing that now? Then what? Plus, what's the value here? 6. Are you seeing that now? Open bracket. 2x all squared. That will become what? 4x squared into 3y all squared. That will become what? 9y squared. Are you seeing that now? I hope you are following. Then what now? Plus 4. You know, we are under this place now. We are under this second part now. Second part. So 4. 2x all raised to power 1. That will become, so this is 4 into, that will be 2x. Are you seeing? Then 3y. So this is 2x. Then 3y raised to power 3. 3y all raised to power 3. That will become what? 27. Because 3 raised to power 3 is 27. So 27 x raised to power what? Power 3. Are you seeing that now? Then we have 2x raised to power 0. 2x raised to power 0 will become 2x raised to power 2x all raised to power 0 will become what? 0. Are you seeing that now? 2x all raised to power 0 will become what? It will become 0, and that will give us what's it called? If we apply that, our 2y 2 what's it called? Okay, let's redo this. I'm trying to clean this part. I don't want to go to another page so that you won't mix it. Are you seeing that? I don't want to go to another page so that you won't mix these things together. So that's why I can see that I'm trying to clean this. So while I'm trying to clean, you should be looking at what I'm trying to do. Or if you don't understand anything there, you can ask questions. Alright, so I think we don't need power 1. Yes, we don't need power 1. We only need 3 and 4. We only need 4 and 5 in this our example. Alright, so now you can see that here we've been able to finish these expansions. I get what I'm saying. We've been able to finish the expansion. So from here now, you know, I'm not done with this one. So that will be plus what now? So that's plus 2x raised to power 0 is 1. Are you seeing that now? 2x raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. So we have 3y all raised to power 4. That will be 3 raised to power 4. Y raised to power 4. That will be 3 times 3. 9. 9 times 3. 27. 27 times 3. 81 x raised to power what? Power 3. I see. Now let us finish our work here now. Alright, let me change this pen now. Now you can see here we have what? This down part, we have 16x raised to power what? Power 4 times 1. That will give us 16x raised to power what? Power 4. Do we understand that now? Now we come to this part now. That's what? 4 times 8. 4 times 8 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Are you seeing that now? 4 times 3 is what? Is 12. And then what? 12 times 8. Are you seeing? 12 times what? Times 8. That will give us what? 96. So this will give us what? Plus what? 96 x raised to power, what do we have here? X raised to power 3. Then what? Y. Are you seeing that now? The y that is here, that's that. Then now plus, we are coming to this part now. Plus, I'm talking about the downside. Then plus what now? 6 times 4 times 9. Are you seeing that now? 6 times 4 times 9. We know that 6 times 4 is what? Is 24, right? Then 24 times 9. 24 times 9 will give us what? 216. Are you seeing? What's the x value here? X squared. So x squared. Then what's the next value beside your y here? Beside your 9. That's what? Y squared. Are you following? Now we are coming to this part now, which is what? Plus 4 times 2 times 27. We know that 4 times 2 is what? Is 8, right? Then 8 times 27 will give us what? Your 8 times 27 will also give you what? 216. I think that 8 times 27 is also what? 216. So this is also what? 216. Then what's the value of x here? So this is x. Then our y is what? Y raised to power what? Power 3. Are you seeing that now? Plus our last value, which is up here. That's what? Plus 81 x raised to power what? 4. Not 3. X raised to power 4. So this one is 4, not 3. It's 4. So that is the answer to our what? Our question. Are you following? That's the answer to our question. Our answer is what? 16x raised to power 4 plus 96x raised to power 3 y plus 216x squared y squared plus 2xy cubed plus 81x raised to power 4. Now there are some questions like the assignment I'm going to give you. The question can be like, in the expansion of, the expansion that we did now, our expansion is what? Is 2x plus 3y. Our expansion is 2x plus 3y all raised to power what? Power 4. Are you seeing that now? That's the expansion of what we did. Now the question will now be that in the expansion of 2x plus 3y, find the coefficient of, they can say find the coefficient of s square y square. If the question says find the coefficient of s square y square, after you are done with your answer now, are you seeing that? After you are done with your answer, you will now pick the coefficient, which is what? 216. Are you seeing that now? Because that is the coefficient of your what? Your s square y squared. Are you seeing that now? So that is how to do this example. All right, so now let's come to the second example, which is what? X. So our next example is what? X plus what? Plus 2y. X minus 2y. X minus 2y all raised to power what? 5. Are you seeing that now? X minus 2y all raised to power what? Power 5. Now don't forget, we will be using the Pascal triangle for 5 here now. Are you seeing? We'll be using the Pascal triangle for what? For 5. Yes, this 5. And what are the coefficients? Let me change this pen so that you can see. So this is the coefficient that we'll be using now. This one. Are you seeing that now? So let me list out the coefficient. The coefficients are what? 1, 5, 10, 10. So the coefficient that we'll be needing is what? 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Those are the coefficients, so that I'll not be going from page to page. All right, so now let's do this expansion. So we have x minus what? Minus 2y raised to power what? Power 5. Now in this case, now your a is what? Is x. Are you seeing that? And your b is what? Minus 2y. So let me write this here for you. A is what? A is x, and your b is what? Minus 2y. Are you seeing that now? Sorry, minus 2y. All right, now what does this means? This means that here now I will have, I can solve this in another way by using a and b. Then after finishing, I'll now substitute the value, but it will still be the same thing. So as a further mathematics student, you shouldn't be scared of having a bigger value. Are you seeing that now? So what will this one have? What are we going to have here? Don't forget, as your a is increasing, your a is decreasing after taking the highest power. So the coefficient here, the first coefficient is what? Is 1. Are you seeing? The first coefficient is 1, so I don't need to write 1. So this will be what? X raised to power what? Power 5. Are you seeing that now? Multiply by what? Minus 2y raised to power what? 0. Abi, plus x will decrease now. What's the coefficient? 5. So this is what? 5. Then what? X raised to power what now? 4. Into bracket minus 2y. Are you seeing? Minus 2y raised to power what now? 1. I'm sure you understand what I'm doing. Then what? Plus. So we have plus The next thing now, the next coefficient is what? 10. So this is 10. Then what? X raised to power what now? 3. I using that into bracket minus 2y raised to power what now? 2. I using that plus the next coefficient is what? 10 too, is still 10. The next coefficient is 10. I using that now into bracket what? X, I don't need to put bracket. 10 into what? X raised to power what now? Power 2 into bracket minus 2y raised to power what now? 3. I using that now plus the next coefficient here is what? 5. So that's what? 5 x raised to power what now? The last time x is power 2, so it will be power what now? 1 into bracket minus 2y raised to power what now? 4. Are you seeing that now? Plus, what's the last coefficient? 1. I don't need to write it. So that will be what? X raised to power what? 0 into bracket minus 2y raised to power what? 5. Are you seeing that now? Now, this is where the thing now gets interesting. Alright, so let's rebrand. So now this will now be equal to s minus 2y, everything raised to power 0 here will become what? 1. So this will become s raised to power what? Power 5 into 1 abi, plus the next this thing is what? 5s raised to power what? Power 4 into bracket minus 2y raised to power 1 will give you minus 2y. Indices says anything raised to power 1, a raised to power 1 is what? Is a. Are you seeing that now? So minus 2y raised to power 1 will give you minus 2y. Are you seeing that now? Plus the next part now, 10s raised to power what? Power 3 into bracket minus 2y all square. That means minus 2y times minus 2y. That gives us what? Minus times minus plus. So this is what? 4y squared. Are you seeing that now? So that means this bracket will give us what? 4y squared. Are you seeing that now? Alright. So we are coming to this part now. We are coming to this next part now. Are you seeing that now? So this will be what? Plus 10x squared, abi 10x squared into bracket minus 2y raised to power 3. Now that will give us minus. Now it is like we are saying this value here. Are you seeing that? It's like we are saying this value now multiplied by what? By minus 2 again. This value here multiplied by minus 2 again, minus 2y. So this will give us minus times minus plus, plus times minus, minus 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8y raised to power 3. Are you seeing that? So this will give us minus 8y raised to power 3. Just know that in mathematics, minus times minus is what? Is plus, abi. So when you do even, minus times minus in even number place, that means minus times minus, which is 2 places, it will give you plus. Minus in 3 places will give you minus. Minus in 4 places will give you plus. Minus in 5 places will give you minus. Minus in 6 places will give you what? Plus. So for even you will get plus, for odd you will get minus. That's why you can see that when we have it as power 3 here now, we are having minus. Are you seeing that now? Alright, so let's go to the next part. We are done with this one now. So now we are coming to this one, abi. So that's what? Plus 5x raised to power what? Power 1. Are you seeing 5x raised to power 1 into what? Minus 2 in 4 places. Now it's just like you are saying this value here times minus 2 again. Minus times minus plus 16. Then what? Y. This is y raised to power 3 before. Then with another y, that will be y raised to power what? Power 4. Are you seeing that now? Then what now? Plus into bracket. This one is what? Anything raised to power 0 is what? 1. Abi. Then minus 2 in 5 places. That will give you minus. Then you are saying 16 times 2 again. That's what? 32. So that's minus 32 y raised to power what? Power 5. Are you seeing that now? So we are almost done. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So this will now be what? X raised to power 5 times 1 will give us what? X raised to power what? Power 5. Are you seeing that now? Plus 5. Let me change this pen so you can see what I'm trying to do. Then now we have 5 times minus 2. 5 times minus 2. That means this plus that is here before now will now become minus. I seen this plus that we have here. So let me clean this. Now I have plus 5 times minus 2. That gives us what? Minus 10. Are you seeing that now? S raised to power what? Power 4 y. Are you seeing that? Now we have plus 10 times plus 4. That gives us what? Plus 40. Are you seeing that? Plus 40 s raised to power 3 y squared. Are you seeing that now? Let me write my 3 very well here. S raised to power 3 y squared. Are you seeing? Now plus times minus again. That gives us what? Minus. Are you seeing that? Then 10 times 8. That give you what? 80. Then what? X squared y cube. Are you seeing that now? Then plus times plus. That's what? Plus 5 times 16. That's what? 5 times 16 will give us 80. Are you seeing that? 5 times 16 will also give us 80 x squared y. The one we did now is x squared y cube, abi. So this will be x y raised to power 4. So where is it? Yeah, this is what we are doing. 5 and then this. So this is x, then y raised to power what? Power 4. We are done with that part. Now here now, minus times plus. Plus times minus. That will give us what? Minus. Are you seeing that now? Then what? 32 s raised to power what? 32 y raised to power what? Power 5. So this is the answer for our expansion. Now let's see, the question says find the coefficient of x squared y cube. What will be the coefficient of x squared? The coefficient of x squared y cube. What will be the coefficient? You can see which one is x squared y cube here. This one. Are you seeing that now? So what will be the coefficient? The coefficient is what? Minus 80. You cannot pick 80 because of this minus. Are you seeing that now? So your answer will be what? Minus what? 80. Do you understand that now? So that is your answer for x squared y cube. Are you seeing that now? All right. So that is our second example. Now to our final example. Here, the final example says 1.01 in 4 places using Pascal triangle method. Now if you punch this on your calculator, 1.01 raised to power 4, you will get your final answer. I get what I'm saying. But now we want you to solve it using the Pascal triangle. So what will you do first? I'm not going to solve this. I'm going to show you what to do and believe that you can solve this. So you have 1.01 raised to power what? Power 4. Are you seeing that? Okay, let me just solve this. All right. So we have 1.01 raised to power 4. What will you do? The first thing you need to do is to put it in form of what? A and B. You need to put it in form of A and B. Now, do you know that 1.01 is the same thing as saying 1.01 is the same thing as saying 1 plus 0.01. It is still the same thing. I think if you do 1 plus 0.01, you will still get 1.01. I think so. In this place now, this is your what? This is your A, and this is your what? Your B. So if you are using expansion Pascal triangle for 4, we know that the coefficient is what? 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. I'm sure you still remember that this is the coefficient of power 4. So that will now be what? That will now be what? The first coefficient, I don't need to write it. So we have 1 raised to power what? Power 4 into bracket 0.01 raised to power what? 0. I'm sure you remember. Then plus the next coefficient now, 4. I think that into bracket 1 raised to power what? 1 raised to power 3. Are you seeing that? 1 raised to power 3, then what? 0.01 raised to power what? 1. Are you seeing that now? Plus the next coefficient now, 6. Are you seeing that? That will be what? 1 raised to power what? Power 2. 0.01 raised to power what now? 2. Are you seeing that now? Then plus what now? The next coefficient, 4. Are you seeing? Then what? 1 raised to power what? 1 into brackets 0.01 raised to power what? Power 3. Are you seeing that now? Then plus the last coefficient, 1. I don't need to write it. That will be 1 into bracket 0. Then what? 0.01 raised to power what? 4. Are you seeing that now? So this is what we are going to have. So all you just have to do now is to multiply your values. Are you seeing that now? Just multiply your values. 1 raised to power 4 is the same thing as what? As 1. Are you seeing that now? Plus 4 into bracket 1 raised to power 3 is 1. Are you seeing that? Into 0.1 raised to power 0.01 raised to power 1 will still give you 0.01. Are you seeing that now? Then plus 6. 1 raised to power 2 is 1. So this is 6 into bracket 0.01 times 0.01. Are you seeing that? You know that's what square means. So that will give us 0.0001. Are you seeing that now? Then plus 4. We are here now. 4 times 1 raised to power 1 is 1. So that's 4 into bracket 0.01 raised to power 3 now will now give us. I see that. So this one will now give us 0. Look at this. Let me show you something. When I did 0.01 raised to power 2, I got how many 0? 4 zeros. That means 1 0, then 3 0. That means if I want to do raised to power 3, are you seeing that now? Raised to power 3 now means I will have how many zeros now? 6 zeros. Are you seeing that? I will have 6 zeros. So this will be what? 0.00001. Are you seeing that now? Plus 1 raised to power 0 is 1. Then 0.01. Are you seeing that? 0.01 raised to power what? Power 4. Are you seeing that? Raised to power 4. That will give us how many 0 now? You can see this will now give us how many 0? 9 zeros. Are you seeing that? We are going to have 9 zeros now, but the first one will be in the front. So that will be what? 0.00000. This is 1. So I have 0.1 2 3 4 5 6. So I still have 7 8. Are you seeing that now? That will be all. Then 1. You can see that. Then if you use your calculator and add all these together by multiply 4 by this, multiply 6 by this, multiply 4 by this, then add it to this value, the answer you will have is 1.04060, correct to 5 decimal place. Are you seeing that now? If I correct my answer to 5 decimal place, this is what I will have. Are you seeing that now? All right. So confirm your answer. Are you seeing that? Confirm your answer. You will have 0.04060 to 5 decimal place. So confirm your answer and let me know in the comment section. All right. And for the student of the progress, let me know if you get the correct answer. All right. So let me give you an assignment. I've been the one shouting since morning and teaching. So let me give you an assignment. I want to give you a powerful one. So I'm going to give you x plus y. You should expand x plus y raised to power 11 and then write out the coefficient. Write out the coefficient of number 1. From this expansion, write out the coefficient of x raised to power 5, y raised to power 6. Yes, the number 2. Write the coefficient of x raised to power 9, y raised to power 2. And then the third one, write out the coefficient of x raised to power 4, y raised to power what? Power 7. So that was the number 1 assignment, assignment A. Then assignment B, you should do the Pascal triangle of 3x minus 7. 3x minus 7, 3x minus y, 3x minus y raised to power 4. Yes, just do raised to power 4. Then this assignment B. Then assignment C, just like this last one I did, do for 1.1 raised to power 5. So find the expansion using the Pascal triangle. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright.